Hey guys, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we're gonna see the basic 2 mission of the Hackthissite. As you know, we have done our first mission, which is basic 1, in our previous video. If you haven't seen that, please check that in the I button. And also we're gonna solve every mission from here. So now we're gonna solve the basic 2, and let's get started. Okay, the statement is here. Network security SAM is the, you can read over here above line to get the hint or to get the question for your game. Okay, let's see the view page source and go to the password file or the line where the password is written. For that you can type Control plus F, or you can hit the Control plus F to go to the here, and let's check the password. Okay, here we are, and this password are over here in the form. As you can see here, type password, name password, and strangers. Okay, the input type is submit and value is submit. Actually the password file is not uploaded here. Yes, that means what the user will give, the site will take. So let's check. I will just hit submit and check if it works or not, because the password file is not uploaded. So that's it. As I've said before, the password file is not uploaded in the website, so anything we give for the password file, it will take as a password. So that's it guys. If you love the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching to the next video.